walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect.
Basain muna natin ng tubig para kapit na kapit ang ating papalitada.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one. Only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed. Life destroyed. Until I woke awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Fly away.
Ayan po, siyempre habang malambot pa ang ating pinalitadahan, kinakating ko na po yung para sa ating groove na lalagyan. And then medyo inabot po kami ng ulan. Kailangan po kasi gawa ng wala po kaming kuryente para i-grinder kinabukasan. Kaya ngayon po, habang napatak ng ulan, pinilit na po naming tanggalin po yung paglalagyan po ng groove.
It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Can I be your superhero? I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight.
mag-start ng palitada. Ang dami tayong tubig na stock doon sa drum, puno yung dating ng 2 drum. Then ito, nilalagyan ko na ng groove. Kinating na namin yan ng, ayan, nakating na yan at nalagyan natin yung groove gamit natin itong mga PVC. Yan, yung isa meron. Pakita ko sa inyo kung paano natin bubuuin ng group na yan. Naglalagay na po ako ng PVC. 1/2 po ang aking gamit para magkaroon po ng hulma or design ng ating group na ilalagay. Ayan po, gayahin nyo lang po yung ginagawa ko para tuwid na tuwid po ang ating group. Then purong simento po ang aking ginamit diyan. Ayan. And then tanggalin nyo lang po yung bawat gilid. Pagkatanggal po ninyo ng gilid, yan po, babrasin nyo na po pag medyo tuyo. Di basain nyo lang po yung PVC and then hilahin nyo lang po. Ayan. Ganyan lang po ako maglagay po ng groove. And then, siyempre, pagkatuyo po nyan, pwede na po natin balikan. Punasan na rin po natin ng brush para matanggal po yung mga ibang part ng purong na simento. Ayan o, kita nyo po, binabrasahan ko na po. Ibig sabihin, tuyo na po siya.
Fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Tapos na po ang ating bakod. Ayan. Nalagyan na po natin ng, siyempre napalitadahan na po natin at nalagyan na rin po natin ng groove. Ayan oh. May groove na po yan. And then ito, meron na rin groove hanggang dun. Tapos pinapa-asintado na natin yung taas na yon, pader na yon, diretso na yung pataas. Siyempre ang gamit natin tubig dito, tubig ulan ulit po ang ating gamit. Ayan. Mulang kahapon, 2 drum, napuno ulit po natin yung 2 drum. Kaya ayun, tapos din ito, prepare na natin yung para sa flooring niya. Para mabuhusan na. Habang may laman ng tubig ang ating drum. Okay. Let's go.